My dear students, as I have already promised, from today onwards, we are going to solve all numerical questions in CBSE Accountancy plus 2. The first chapter that we are covering is admission of partners. The first numerical question is A and B were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit C into a partnership firm with 1/3 share in the profits. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So the old profit sharing ratio is given. The old partners are A and B. The new partner is C. For him the share is given 1/6 share. That means you can assume that the total share is 1. So 1 out of, for example, 1 out of 6 is given to C. So the remaining, what will be the remaining? 1 minus 1 by 6. That is called 5 by 6. So the 5 by 6 will be shared. Let us solve now. So the old partners, how many partners? A, B and C. The old ratio is 3:2. That means 3 by 5, 2 by 5. And then the new partner share, that is 1 by 6. That means 1 out of 6 is given. If it is, you can assume the 1, the total ratio is 1. So the remaining part, 1 minus 1 by 6 will be 5 by 6. It will be shared among the existing partners in the ratio 3 by 5, 2 by 5. The new profit sharing ratio will be 3 by 5 into 5 by 6. 2 by 5 into 5 by 6. So 5 cancelled and then 5 by 5 cancelled. So the entry will be, the ratio will be 3 by 6 and then 2 by 6. Here there is no change, 1 by 6. So the new profit sharing ratio will be between A, B and C is, as basics are all are same, so 3:2:1. This is a new profit sharing ratio. Please note it down. Next question is A, B and C were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 3:2:1. They admitted D at 10% profit. 10% profit means 10 out of 100. That means 1 by 10. And then the remaining portion will be 9 by 10. Likewise the previous question. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Now we shall calculate. So the total partners A, B, C and D. The old ratio of A, B and C is 3:2:1. That means the total 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6. 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6. This is a old ratio. Then the share given to D, the share of D is 10%. 10% means 10 by 100. That is 1 by 10. So the portion will be 1 by 10. So the remaining portion will be 1 minus 1 by 10. If you calculate like this, so the 9 by 10 will be the remaining portion, will be shared by all the partners A, B and C in the ratio 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6 respectively. So we will calculate the new profit sharing ratio. That is 3 by 6 into 9 by 10 and then 2 by 6 into 9 by 10, 1 by 6 into 9 by 10. So we can multiply this. 3 into 9, 27 divided by 60. 2 into 9, 18 divided by 60. 1 into 9, 9 divided by 60. D share is 1 by 10. As the denominator is 60, we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator into 6. So 6 by 60 for D. So the ratio will be 27 is to 18 is to 9 is to 6. You can further simplify. If you divide by 3, it will become 2, it will become 3, and then it will become 6, it will become 9. So 9 is to 6 is to 3 is to 2. That is the ratio, new profit sharing ratio. Another sum, X and Y are partners sharing profits in 5 is to 3 ratio. Admitted Z for 1/10 share which he acquired equally from X and Y. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Now the X, Y, Z are partners. The old ratio is 5 is to 3. That means 5 by 8, 3 by 8. The new share of Z is 1 by 10. Please be careful that 1 by 10, the share of Z which he acquired equally from X and Y. That means half of 110 is to be sacrificed by X. Half of 110 is sacrificed by Z, Y. So what is the sacrifice of X and Y? So sacrifice 1 by 10 into 1 by 2, 1 by 10 into 1 by 2. That means 1 by 20, 1 by 20. So this is a sacrifice of X and Y partners. The previous share is 5 by 8, 3 is 3 by 8. So if we deduct that sacrifice, we can find out the new profit sharing ratio. So the new profit sharing ratio is 5 by 8 minus 1 by 20 and then 3 by 8 minus 1 by 20. So we can take it LCM, 40 you can take it LCM. For example, if it is 40, you can take LCM 40, 8 out of 40 5 times. So 5 into 5, 25 minus 20 out of 40 2 times, so 2. So 23 by 40. Here we can take the same LCM 40. So 5 into 3, 15 minus 2 into 1, 2. That is 13 by 40. So here the same ratio 1 by 10. As the base is 40, we can multiply into 4. So if we multiply into 4, the numerator and denominator, that is 4 by 40. So the ratio will be 23 by 40, 13 by 40 and then 4 by 40. So 23 is 13 is 4. So this is the new profit sharing ratio. The next one is P and Q are partners sharing profits in the ratio 2:1. They admitted R into partnership, giving him 1/5 share which he acquired from P and Q in the ratio 1:2. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. So there are two partners and then one partner has been admitted R. So let's solve P, Q and R. The old ratio is 2:1. That means 2 by 3, 1 by 3. The share given to R, the share of R is 1 by 5. So this portion is to be sacrificed by P and Q in the ratio. That means 1:2 ratio. So in the ratio they have to sacrifice. So how much sacrifice we have to find it out. So sacrifice by old partners. That means 1 by 5 into, for P, how much sacrificing? 1 by 3. 1 by 3. For Q, 1 by 5 into 2 by 3. This is a portion of sacrifice of both P and Q. So how much sacrifice? 1 into 1, 5 into 3, 15. 1 into 2, 2, 5 into 3, 15. So this portion has to be sacrificed from the old share. So the new share will be the old minus sacrifice. So 2 by 3 minus 1 by 15. Here 1 by 3 minus 2 by 15. So if we take LCM 15, 5 times, 5 into 2, 10. Here 15, 15, 1 times, so 1 into 1, 1. So 9 by 15. Here LCM 15, 3, 5 times, in 15, 3, 5 times, so 5 minus 1 into 2, 2. That means 3 by 15. For R the same ratio, but for other partners the base is 15, we have to multiply both denominator and numerator into 3. So if we multiply 3, so 3 by 15. So the share of R will be 3 by 15, share of Q will be 3 by 15, and then share of P will be 9 by 15. The new profit sharing ratio will be 9:3:3. That means if we divide by 3, so 3:1:1. This is a new profit sharing ratio of all the partners. Another question, A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio 2:2:1. They admitted D for 1/8 share, which he acquired entirely from A. So the sacrifice, A has to sacrifice the whole amount, whole share of D. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So the partners A, B, C and D. The old profit sharing ratio 2:2:1. That means 2 by 5, 2 by 5 and then 1 by 5. This is old ratio. The share given to D, that is 1/8 share. So the 1/8 share, the D is directly getting 1/8 share from A only, A alone. But B is not to sacrifice, C is not to sacrifice. So the sacrifice by A only. So 1/8 share, others for nil. So the new profit sharing ratio, old share minus sacrifice 1/8. For A only we have to mention, and then here nil, no sacrifice, no sacrifice. So if we take LCM 40, then 8 times 8 into 2, 16 minus 8 in 45 times, so 5 into 1, 5. So 11 by 40. Here the same ratio 2 by 5. Here the same ratio 1 by 5. Here the same ratio 1/8 share, because it is given by A. So now we have to calculate. I mean, this is for A, this is for B, C and D. In A, the base is 40, so we have to make it all 40. So 11 by 40, 2 by 5 into, if we multiply by 8 in both, I mean 8, 8, it will come around 16 by 40, and then 1 by 5 into 8. So 8 by 40, and then we have to multiply here 5, 5. So 5 by 40. So the ratio will be 11 by 40, 16 by 40, and then 8 by 40, and then 5 by 40. So the ratio 11:16:8:5. This is a new profit sharing ratio.